Hello again. My name is Yuri. Here we are again with the songbook, Rainbow Caravan Songbook collection that have 300 something songs, and now we are on the song number 28. The song called Butterfly People. And there you see the chords A minor, D minor, A minor, E, A minor, D minor, E. And here's the lyrics. You can even pause this video and read the lyrics yourself, but I'm gonna put the lyrics in the comment section, so please check the comment section. You can comment as well. You can also like this video, press the like button, and comment or subscribe, and share the song, share the spirit. All we need now is peace everywhere in the world. Peace and harmony, unity and freedom. And of course, the best thing is love. Here we go. This song, I've learned it in India back in 1998. I don't know who wrote this song, but the song is pretty fun. It's called The Butterfly People. Here how you play A minor. D, A minor, E, the cave in a magical door. All are welcome, but those who enter never shall return, not a single day more. Can you feel the rhythm of my heart beating in time? Is the drum in your head? Fly away on the waves of the ocean, seeking and finding the butterfly people, seeking and finding the butterfly people, butterfly people, rainbow people. On the shores of the mystical ocean, there lies a cave, is the magical door. All are welcome, but those who enter never shall return, not a single day more. Can you feel the rhythm of my heart beating in time as the drums in your head? Fly away by the hands of the ocean, seeking and finding the butterfly people, seeking and finding the butterfly people, butterfly people, rainbow people, butterfly people, rainbow people. On the shores of the mystical ocean, there lies a cave, is the magical door. All are welcome, but those who enter will never shall return, not a single day more. Can you feel the rhythm of my heart beating in time? Is the drum in your hand? Fly away by the waves of the ocean, seeking and finding the butterflies, seeking and finding the butterfly people, butterfly. Thank you. So there is a link for a book if you want to get the book. Obviously, every donation is welcome to continue our journey, but if you cannot, it's free right here. There is a lyrics, there is a song. Just press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll sing more. There is a lot more songs to go. Not just in English, there is many different languages too. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time.